Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video is a bit different than normal. There's no talking head, it's just me sat in my pants doing a wee voiceover. Anyway, today I've got a wee video on how to change your standard Mark II Leon Fob to an upgraded Mark 7 Golf Fob. Probably a fob that's used for other cars as well. Anyway, it'll all be shown to you in under 4.5 minutes, I guarantee that. And if you're new around here and not yet subscribed, then please do. Find the button down below under the video. And if you enjoy the video also, then please hit the like button. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. Okay, right, let's get started. And as you can see, the fob's working fine. No issues at all. Opens the car, no bother. Starts the engine, no bother. All working spot on. Just remember though, if the transponder chip is missing, the car won't start, so please, please don't lose it. As always, thanks for watching everyone. Hit that like button down below if you found this video useful, and subscribe to the channel to catch more content like this in the future. And I'll catch you later on. Right, I'm gonna put some clothes on.